Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to episode 13 of modding, and this time we're going to be looking towards updating our mod from Minecraft 1.2.5 to Minecraft 1.3. Now I know I did promise you guys that the mod making tutorials are going to be episode 13, but what do you know, Minecraft 1.3 came out, and therefore we could not start making a mob unless we update our, Minecraft. So let's go ahead and update MCP with our mod to Minecraft 1.3. In order to do this, we're going to be able to follow these steps that I have laid out and written out for us not to get any errors or any of that stuff. So what we're going to do is just follow each one of these steps, and therefore we could be able to play with our green gems on Minecraft 1.3. So first off, let's just start off this tutorial, and you're just going to get modloader from Minecraft 1.3. All the downloads are going to be linked in the description, so you just have to go to my website and it will download modloader for Minecraft 1.3. The next thing you want to get is you have to download the new version of MCP, which is version 1.7 for Minecraft 1.3. So here it is. I will link both of these in my description, and here they are, modloader and the new version of MCP. And this is my text. I will copy and paste what I've wrote right here into my description, so you could just check that out if you like. And then you're going to get a fresh Minecraft.jar. So we're going to get the newest Minecraft.jar, and in order for me to do that, I'm pretty sure you guys already have mods installed, maybe too many items, but what you have to do is go here to options, and you have to force update your game. You have to get the newest Minecraft 1.3. So options, force update, and login. We're going to go to our bin folder in a bit to receive that Minecraft.jar, and we're just going to place it here to our desktop. So I'm going to leave this updating while we look at the next step. So this is optional. You could get a Minecraft Server.jar. I'm not going to get a Minecraft server at this point right now, because I'm not going to be modding for a Minecraft server quite yet. So we're just going to go to our Minecraft.jar and get it. So let me exit off this, this game. So let me exit this off, and I'm going to go look for my Minecraft.jar. So you have... Hey guys, I made a mistake at this part in the video, so I am right now narrating it for you to understand what I'm doing. I just made a mistake getting my Minecraft.jar. You don't need to get your Minecraft.jar in this process right now. The instructions that I have written down was incorrect, but I will fix the error later on in the video. You will see. So now we have ourselves a fresh Minecraft.jar. Now what we need to do is install modloader, the newest one, into our Minecraft.jar. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to right click this Minecraft, .jar. And please note that if I make any mistake in this video, I will try to fix what I've, if there is a mistake, because this is my first time trying to update a mod, and you guys know I'm a beginner at this. And also, if you don't know how to set up MCP or any of that stuff, you have to check out episode 1, because it's the same exact thing as in Minecraft 1.3. My tutorial is at Minecraft 1.2.5, but it's the same exact thing for Minecraft 1.3. So anyways, let me just go ahead and exit off this error. I'm just going to change, okay, just because it keeps on showing that error. So I'm gonna right click this Minecraft.jar, open with WinRAR. I'm gonna open up that Minecraft.jar with WinRAR, and I'm gonna move this aside. So I'm gonna move it over here. The first thing I'm gonna want to do, of course, before installing modloader, is to delete meta-inf. I have to delete meta-inf. So right click meta-inf and delete files. So delete files, say yes, and it should be able to delete meta-inf. Now what we're gonna do is open up modloader. So go ahead and open up modloader, the newest one, and you're gonna move that aside. All you have to do is just highlight these files from modloader and simply drag them all into the Minecraft.jar. So go ahead and add and replace, press OK, and you are done. We no longer need modloader anymore. All we have to do is just modify our Minecraft.jar with modloader. So let's go ahead and exit off everything. And I'm just going to go ahead and move this aside. We no longer need modloader. So now that we have done all that, now let's go ahead and set up MCP and decompile. Alright, so if you got the newest MCP, which is MCP 7.0, I believe, you're going to open up that MCP, and you're just going to move that aside. You're going to see a ton of files. Let's go ahead and make a new folder for our new MCP. It's not going to be called moddings folder anymore. And another thing that I like to mention is that I did back up my moddings folder just in case something would go wrong. I would well recommend that, because if you happen to do something that you totally messed up in, I would recommend to back up your moddings folder and paste it inside another folder, so I have a backup. So if anything would happen, I could always go back to the backup. Alright, anyways, let's go back to our newest MCP, and here's all the files we need. What we're going to do is create a new folder in which we're going to put the new MCP in. So I'm going to right click new folder, and I'm just going to call this new modding. So new modding, or actually, yeah, I'm just going to keep it like that, new modding. So this is the new moddings folder, and what I'm going to do is go into this new moddings folder. I'm going to move that aside, I'm gonna highlight all of these files from the MCP, the newest version, and simply drag it into my new moddings folder, and just wait for all that to like transfer over, and here it is. Alright, now we no longer need this MCP zip, so I'm gonna move this aside over here. I'm gonna get rid of this. Now what we need to do is we have to install wait a minute, what am I doing? This is where I correct myself in the tutorial, so be sure to listen. I think I totally failed at getting my Minecraft. Yeah, I did. Sorry about this. I really did fail at this. So my mistake at telling you guys to get your Minecraft.jar. I totally wrote this out a little bit wrong because I totally forgot this step. So what we're gonna do is go into our jars folder. All right, our new moddings folder. Go into our jars. And what we're going to do now is go here to start. We're going to have to go back to our bin folder. I'm sorry about this. And we have to type in %appdata% of course, and go to our runnings folder. We're going to go here to .minecraft. Now what we have to do is copy over our bin and our, where's it at, resources. So I didn't install modloader into this jar. I remember I copied it, so I have to modify this jar. So let me go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to right click, open with WinRAR. So I just totally failed at that, so I have to do all this over again. So I'm just gonna delete meta-imp, and I'm just gonna highlight modloader and simply drag it into Minecraft.jar and replace, press OK, and I'm gonna go ahead and exit off all this. So let me go ahead and do a little quick review of what I just did right now. So anyways, I did do this real quick because I made a mistake. I told you guys just to get your Minecraft.jar, which wasn't necessary. All we have to do is just get our bins and our resources, and our bins in our Minecraft.jar has to be modded with modloader. So yeah, we just have to mod our bins folder and our resources. So let's go ahead and highlight these two, bin and resources, right click copy. We're gonna copy these, and you're just gonna put it into your jars. Right click paste. Just give it a little time. It's gonna be 58.1 megabytes. So allow this to transfer over and just wait a sec. So sorry for my mistake. Hopefully nobody gets confused. It's pretty much really easy. It's the same exact thing as in episode 1. So yeah. Alright, so we got our bins and resources here in our new jars. So now let's just go back one to here, and now we have to run a decompile once you have placed the appropriate folders in these jars. So run a decompile and allow this to generate a lot of folders. So it's applying all these good stuff and making all the class editable and reading all the new class. So yeah, this is going to be very simple. Hopefully this tutorial will help you guys out. We're just decompiling right now. This is pretty much how to set up MCP, and now we have to transfer over our source, which can be a bit tricky depending on circumstances really of how much class you guys have to transfer over. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video until this is done. Alright, so now it is done, and if you have, gotten yourself some errors, such as right here, I have 2 errors, don't even worry about this. This is just MCP, decompiling itself, and also it might even say right here, missing Server.jar file aborting. Don't even worry about that. We're not messing with the server right now. So anyways, once you have received this message saying press any key to continue, just go ahead and press any key, and there we have it. Now we have ourselves the new moddings folder with all of the good files that we need. Okay, so first off, let's go ahead and exit off everything just for this to be a little bit more simple for you guys to understand. What we need to do now is copy over our old source to our new source, but there is 2 different methods in order to do this. So here is basically how I laid it out. Either you can look for all your class files that you have created or modified and drag it over to the new source, or you could actually highlight all your all your code, copy and paste, but do not replace. Alright, that actually kind of rhymed. That's pretty cool. Okay, so what we're gonna do is let's go over here to our moddings folder, our old one. Okay, go into our old modding folder. We're gonna move that aside. Okay, so now we have to go here to source. This is where our source is located. So go to source. We're gonna go here to Minecraft. Now we're gonna go here to net, and we're gonna go here to Minecraft and source. So remember this: modding source, Minecraft net, Minecraft source, and here is all our source. So if we look up M, or if we just press the key M and we scroll down, we'll see right here mod_Minecraft and mod_MC armor that we have created. So here is our old source. And now what we need to do is we're gonna go into our new modding folder. So I'm gonna move that up here just to put it right next to GIMP. We're gonna go here to our new modding folder. We're gonna open that up and move it aside. So now I'm looking at both moddings folders. So I got the old one over here on the right side and the new one in the left side. So now what I'm going to do is go here to source, the same exact thing, the same process. So source, Minecraft, net, Minecraft, and source. It's the same exact location. So source, Minecraft, net, Minecraft, source, and over here as well, source, Minecraft, net, Minecraft, source. So now what we need to do, this could be the tricky part because I never tried this before. I know that the best way to do this is just to grab your code and drag it into your new source, but what I wanted to do for it to be way more simple, because I know somebody might forget to drag over a class or a JavaScript. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna highlight all of this source, Control A. So click on any of the old source and press Control A. We're gonna highlight all the code. We're not gonna drag it over and copy and replace because the new Minecraft added in new code, so we don't want to overwrite it with the old code. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna highlight all of these, and what you're gonna do is just right click. So you're gonna right click all this and go here to copy. So you're gonna copy all of these Java codes, go here to the new Minecraft source, right click and paste. But wait a sec, before you say yes to replace, just look what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna put paste, and then just give it a second. Look right here. This file copy says copy and replace. Do not do that. Right here it says don't copy. Okay, so don't replace the old file. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna click this one, don't copy. If you have a Mac, I'm not sure what yours is gonna pop out, but anyways, what you're gonna do is just do not copy. All it's really gonna do is actually what you're gonna do is click right here to do this for all next 951. So just click this little thing down here and put don't copy, and there we have it. Now if you scroll down, you should see that you have all the other files except for replacing anything else. So here is all the other things that were added and stuff. Let me just scroll down till we see what else. Where is it at? Oh, here it is, green blocks. So we have our green blocks right here. Now there could be a bad side of doing this, because I know somebody's gonna post a comment saying there's no need to do this, but the reason why I did this was because I'm not sure if everyone's gonna go to their old source and copy over their files correctly. So I'm just gonna highlight everything and drag it over. I know that I'm bringing over dead code, so I know I'm bringing over some dead code, such as, let's scroll down, probably this is dead code item metadata. I'm pretty sure that could be considered dead code. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to do this. I'm just doing it this way because it'll be much easier, especially when people have huge mods. Trust me, there's people with super huge mods that they have to go to each one and select each file. But I know a lot of people, because a few people recommended this, is just to highlight and just drag it over and just do not copy. So all you have to do is just highlight some files, and you just drag it over, and some of your class files will make it over. So that's basically it, and that's it, guys. That's really how to do it. Now what we're gonna do is go ahead and exit off your old modding folder. We don't need this anymore. Make sure you're still in your new source, your new moddings folder. You're just gonna go all the way back till you hit the beginning, which is right here, and now what we have to do is recompile. So double click this recompile. You might get some errors, because of course right here I put recompile and look for errors. You might get one. So go ahead and recompile by double clicking the recompile, and just give it a second, and it should be able to generate everything and recompile your source. So there we have it. Now it has generated a lot of codes, and you might get yourself a lot of errors, but this is common. So just go ahead and exit off your recompiling, because we are done with this, or you can press any key because there's a lot of errors, but it's pretty much going to fix itself right after we run Minecraft. So now what we need to do is move over our pictures and items to our new location. So remember that we created ourselves new items. So if you go here to bins, Minecraft, net, there's nothing here, right? There's really nothing here. So what we have to do is, let me go here to client. Yeah, there's really nothing here. So go into your old moddings folder. You're going to open that up and move it aside. You're going to go here to bin, Minecraft, and you're going to copy over your armors and items folder from your old moddings folder, modding bin Minecraft. You're going to right click and copy that. Now you're going to go here to bin Minecraft and just paste that right into the same location. So what we're really doing is just copying over our old items to our new folder. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. Look, modding bin Minecraft, new modding bin Minecraft, same exact thing. So go back and go here to Eclipse. So now we're going to do the same exact thing. So Eclipse, client, and now we're going to go back to our old moddings folder, go here to Eclipse and client, and bin Why isn't there a bin over here? The best thing, I think the best thing we should do is copy over our bin, because there isn't no bin folder here in the new Eclipse. Maybe because we haven't we haven't launched Eclipse, that's why. So what we're going to do is launch Eclipse in order to generate that bins folder, because there is no bins folder in the new moddings folder. So I'm going to go ahead and double click Eclipse, and I'm going to set up the workshop here in the new moddings folder. So if you notice right here, it's our old Eclipse. We have to browse and click on our new Eclipse. So click here to browse, scroll down, we're just going to minus this and go here to the new moddings folder and go here to Eclipse. So basically we're setting this to Eclipse, press OK, and then press OK again, and it should be able to open up our new moddings folder with Eclipse. And just give a second, and it should be able to generate the folder. And there it is. So it did generate. There it is. So now what we need to do is let's go ahead and exit off our Eclipse. No need to use that anymore. We're gonna come back to it later, but in that bins, we're gonna go into our bins that generated in our new Eclipse, and now we're gonna go into this bins and copy over the armor and items. So press Control and select both of those. Right click, copy. Go here to bin in your new Eclipse and just paste that right in. So there we have it. That's basically how to transfer over items. And now let's run Eclipse. After that, we have to open up Eclipse and look at our mod_name to see if there's any errors, because maybe Jeb has changed some coding. Maybe modloader has changed a few things, so we have to look into this. So right off the bat, we have ourselves a little X, meaning there's an error, and over here we have ourselves a quotation, or not a quotation, a yeah, you get that. What is that? A little, I don't know, but that means it's missing. So we don't have to worry about the server. So go here to clients, go here to source, and go here to net Minecraft source, which is right here, which has the big X for error. And what we're gonna do is you can scroll around and look for the errors, which are right here. So what we're gonna do is go look for our mod_. So let's press M for mod. And where's mod_? It should be around here, mod_Minecraft. So there is an error, so let's go here and check it out. We're going to double click and see where the error is located at. So you will get errors here in your enum tool material because we did not copy over our enum tool material class. So what we're going to do is just replace anything that says .hello or .gold or .awesome. And at the moment, I'm just going to put gold. So I will fix this later on. All you really have to do is just go back to your enum tool material. If you do want to edit a base class, which isn't recommended, but in my tutorial I did tell you how to basically edit a base class. So you could go back and re-add that in if you remember how to do that. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and replace this with gold. And we have ourselves another error, which should be over here. So modloader.add smelting. I guess modloader has changed the code for .add smelting, so my old tutorial isn't good anymore. So let me just hover over this code and let's see what it has to say. Let me capitalize the A. Maybe that is the error. No, that isn't the error. So I will go back to this later on. I'm not sure why the add smelting has an error. We could actually just highlight this, add smelting. Let's just highlight this, right click and copy, and we could just go here to search a file and just paste that right in and put search, and it should be able to find the actual new code. So this add smelting, no, we have to look for the modloader. Here it is, modloader. So now we go to modloader, and now it's asking for something else. Yeah, it is now asking for more variables. Alright, so by looking at this, I still don't understand how to fix that smelting error. I will have to make a new episode later on in the future. So to fix this error, all you have to do is go here to mod_Minecraft, and for at this moment, we're just gonna go ahead and make this a code. Let's just get rid of this code by doing 2 slashes. So just do 2 slashes in front of the code that got the error, which is modloader.add smelting. And what we're going to do is just leave this outside of our code, so your items won't be able to smelt at the moment. But once I figure out how to smelt, I will make a new tutorial. But anyways, that should be the error. Even if these little new class files got errors, because I never saw this Java before, Minecraft, it has an X on it because there's an error. So let's scroll up, and there shouldn't be any more errors. You could find a lot of other things, such as chunk provider could have an error and other stuff, but that wouldn't really interfere with your mod. All of these errors will still show up, but what we're going to do is now press play. It should still be able to play, so let's press play. mod_Minecraft, press OK, and do proceed, even if it says errors exist. So just do proceed and it should be able to play. And here it is. So if I go to single player, go into my world, which has cheats on, so let's go into our world, and even if you look down here, it will show red, but don't take that as an error. It's just basically loading your world. So now if I go into my inventory, and if I go here to combat, I should have myself my green sword here and my armor. So here it is, pretty cool. My sword's still back. But the thing about I'm not sure, let me go to search items and scroll down and see if I have it. Yeah, for some reason it won't show up my other modded gems. Not sure why not. Probably I can't find my other items at the moment because of a few reasons. You know, the creative inventory has changed, so therefore I cannot find my other items, but I could have my green axe and all that good stuff. But anyways, guys, that is basically it. Hopefully this tutorial will help you, you know, with your new Minecraft. So anyways, guys, if you guys do really enjoy this series, be sure to leave a rating before you leave. I did spend 20 minutes on this full-on tutorial. This was my first try, so if you guys find any errors, if I did something wrong, I really do apologize. But anyways, it did work for me, so I do have my items and all that good stuff, and my boots and all that cool stuff. So anyways, I'm not sure if I could find my you know, ore somewhere, but I could trade with villagers if I have myself some emeralds here. But anyways, guys, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this new video. I'm gonna go ahead and catch you guys later. Thank you. If you need help, be sure to post the topic on my help forums. Somebody will help you.